Good morning. This is Ed from IC Controls. We're just about to charge the chlorine sensor on the 876 chlorine meter. So all you do, this is the membrane cap. Just slides in here, nice and easy. It's a pre-tension membrane cap, membrane module, and the membrane cap is here. The O-ring is inside here. So this just slides together like so. And then we fill up the fill solution. I don't know if you can see that, but typically doesn't leak. We fill up this fill solution over the edge there, about a centimeter down from the rim. And then we line up the chlorine sensor. So this flat here is at the top, and then you just do this over a bucket or a sink. You slowly, in a clockwise direction, tighten the cap on, so any bubbles will come out, any excess liquid will come out. So there we go. Just snug it hand tight, and then you insert it into your chlorine meter and it's ready to go. Thank you.